front of me is Realme C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose personalizations and click on wallpapers. Over here, pick one of those options. I will go with static wallpapers. Select the best one for you and click on apply. Now select lock screen, home screen, or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. I will go with both. Now you need to go back, click on icon styles and select one of those, or click on custom and pick shape of them, size, and even size of app name. After that, you need to go back and tap on app layout. Now pick number of columns and rows and go back. Then choose colors and pick one of those color themes like cool or one of those single colors by clicking on the chosen one. When you're ready, click on apply. Choose font and display size and pick one of those font styles and adjust size of your font and display by swiping left or right. Then choose apply one more time, choose notification draw and pick shape of icons in your tap menu. When you're ready, just choose home button. And now as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!